resuscitation. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation nowadays is called as cardiopulmonary and cerebral resuscitation. Cardiac arrest is defined as inability of heart to produce effective cardiac output, impairing tissue perfusion. Cardiac arrest may be of cardiac origin or non-cardiac. In adults is usually of cardiac origin and in children it is usually of respiratory origin. Cardiac arrest may be witnessed or unwitnessed. It may be inside hospital or outside hospital. Unwitnessed cardiac arrest in adults should be considered due to ventricular fibrillation until proved otherwise, and in children should be considered due to asystole until proved otherwise. Rhythms in cardiac arrest. The following three rhythms are seen in cardiac arrest. 1. Ventricular fibrillation and pulseless ventricular tachycardia, more common in adults. 2. Asystole, more common in children. 3. Pulseless electrical activity. CPR can be divided into following stage. 1. BLS. 2. ALS. 3. Post-resuscitation life support. Management of CPCR. Management guidelines are based on the recent recommendation by American Heart Association and Emergency Cardiovascular Care with International Liaison Committee on Resuscitation. AHA and ACE have given 4-link chain of survival. 1. Early recognition and activation of emergency medical services. 2. Immediate CPR. 3. Early shock. 4. Early advanced life support. Management of CPR is done under 3 heads. 1. Basic life support. 2. Advanced cardiovascular life support. 3. Post-cardiac arrest care. Whether the CPR is provided by BLS or ACLS, the primary focus is the management of airway, breathing, circulation and early defibrillation. The standard age-long sequence of ABC was changed to CAB in 2010 CPR guidelines, which means the rescuer will first give 30 compressions in approximately 18 seconds before proceeding to airway and breathing. The reasons for this change are: there is enough oxygen present in blood which just needs to be pushed to vital structures like heart and brain.